hi. Alright, that's enough, Gio. Bye, Gio. What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a pizza for only $4 using just some ingredients from your local dollar store, Dollar Tree, whatever you guys call them. As you can see, I got some cheese. I didn't get the Prego sauce from there, but they did have pizza sauce that you could use. I got their thin crust pizza, their pizza pie, and I always gotta do a smell test, and it didn't smell too bad. It smelled pretty good. But yeah, so pizza actually came wrapped. Funny enough. But yeah, so I got this video idea. I was actually at the dollar store, and I was like, you know what? I can make a pizza for literally like $4. But yeah, so here's me adding the sauce. Can never have too much sauce. I did put a little bit more after this, just because I wanted like an even coat. And then the cheese is from the dollar store, and as you can see, I am a big fan of my cheese. The pepperonis were also from the dollar store. Everything was pretty much from the dollar store, besides like your Pam, my green pepper, and the Prego sauce. I just decided to use the Prego sauce. For continuity, next time, I'll just use like the pizza sauce from the dollar store, just because it's a more accurate representation of what the pizza would actually taste like. But I digress. Pizza sauce, and regardless, we got ourselves a good-looking pizza. So my strategy here with the pepperonis is to put them in a triangle kind of, thing. Is you will kind of start to notice there's like a pattern to it. You also start to notice that this cheese is heavily coated on my pizza. That's because I love a stringy cheese. Spoiler alert, the cheese actually didn't melt too well. It melted, but you could tell, it's the dollar store cheese, so you can't really complain for the price. But yeah, so here I'm just doing the final touches pretty much on the pepperoni pizza. And the pepperoni pizza was actually surprisingly really greasy. I can't tell if it was greasy or from the packaging, the meats and the, all of that combined. I can only assume it's grease, but yeah. Oh, before I even forget, make sure you put Pam or butter or something at the bottom of your pizza so it doesn't stick to the metal. So with my pizza, I always enjoy bell peppers, whether I'm at Mod Pizza, whether I'm at Domino's, Little Caesars, anywhere, I have to get my bell peppers, just because I enjoy eating bell peppers. And in this video, you're gonna go ahead and see that my bell pepper chopping skills are quite amateur, matter of fact, laughable. I actually didn't even know how to cut it right, despite always eating bell peppers. But yeah. Here's me trying to take the sticker off, and I'm pretty sure some of it's stuck. I'm not a big fan of eating the plastic stickers on my pizza or on my peppers or any food in general. Beautiful pepper, all washed and bathed. Oh my gosh. It's a lot more than some of you can say. And then here you can see my mom taking the knife from my hands and cutting them so they look like a Beyblade. And then I tell my mom, wait a minute, I don't remember my pizza looking like that. Oh, I think at this point, my camera fell from its stand, or my iPhone fell from its stand. But here's my mom cutting them so they look like Beyblades. And I'm like, wait, Mom, that's not how you cut them. Also, that's not the correct knife to be using, first of all. I'm pretty sure I told her that. I can't remember, but that's how you do it. You want to cut it like that, take the seeds out, the stem and all that, clean it out, get your nice little thin pieces. It's really that simple when it comes down to it, to cut your bell peppers. They don't have to be even, they don't have to be beautiful, because in the end of the day, they're going in your stomach, they're going to be digested, and if you don't have stomach problems, you're probably going to poop them out. If you have stomach problems, you might get a kidney stone. I'm not sure if that's scientifically accurate, and neither do you. But yeah. So we pretty much got everything all sliced up. And at this point, this lady that lives with us decides to take some of my bell peppers. I was confused. I was like, wait, are you cutting me more bell peppers? I'm fine. I actually told that to her. But she's like, no, yeah, let me just steal your bell peppers and put it on my food. Which I was not a fan of. I even looked at the camera. I was like, bruh, my bell peppers. Now, granted, I wasn't going to eat the rest of the bell peppers. But it would have been nice to have been asked, hey, can I have some of your bell peppers? But no. She just took them. I'm putting my feet on my bed. Damn, this is a really comfy position. I should have done this earlier. This almost feels like I'm doing a podcast. But I'm literally just putting this bell pepper stuff on my pizza and rearranging them. So yeah. Oh, you guys like my sweater? And then here's the finished product. Oh, so sexy. I'm probably not putting this in. I'm just going to add music to it. It's just mind-blowing. And I put the oven to bake. Or no, to warm up, not bake. And here is me figuring out my terrible mistake where I'm like, wait, I put it to warm, not to bake. So I'm trying to fix my errors because I'm a dingus pingus. But yeah, then I realized and I set it to the correct setting. But yeah, this is the after result. This beautiful, crispy pizza. Chef's kiss. Only get one chef's kiss per video. But yeah, it was a pretty damn good looking pizza, and I went ahead and cut it up into 4 slices. 4 big Costco pizza slices, baby. Damn, that's a pretty good pizza. No cap. That is fire. That's lit, bro. I am a certified chef. That's good. Ven a probarlo. You already ate. Well, yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps up the video. And if you want to make your own $4 pizza, be sure to hit up any of your dollar stores, and they should have all the items as listed below. It could essentially be a $3 pizza if you really want to budget, if you have sauce at home. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.